High-tech gadgetry has come to the rescue of some animals in need. Auckland's Institute of Technology has produced a food vending machine for horses, and it's now being trialled in the field. Kay Gregory has the story.
Problem: horses used for riding for the disabled, a very small grazing paddock, and a need to be fed, often. Solution? A little Kiwi ingenuity, of course. A microprocessor-controlled horse food dispenser.
It will drop hay every 4 hours or 6 hours, and they can just set up what they want and program the computer each time they switch it on.
And out drops the hay on cue. This battery-powered computer keeps the machine going, but eventually it'll have solar panels.
It's going to be very much easier for us to cope with the problems that we have with keeping our horses' weight under control and caring for them when they're injured.
David Nutt says he's heard of vending machines for cats and dogs, but he believes this could be the first of its type for horses. Kay Gregory, One Network News.